In this video, I will show you how to use casino bonus in Mostbet. I can subscribe to YouTube channel for more important videos like this. Before we continue, I advise you create a professional Mostbet account. To do that, click on register, choose the phone or email address option or advise the email address, and then you choose your country. Once you choose your country, choose your currency US dollar, fill in your email address and your password. When you come down to the promo code box, you use the promo code Renzo TV. If you use the promo code Renzo TV, Mostbet is going to give you up to 400 US dollars as your first deposit bonus. Once you use the promo code Renzo TV, click on confirm. Once that is confirmed, the promo code is going to be applied. Fill in every other detail and then click on register. Now that you've created your account, let's continue. So after claiming your casino bonus in Mostbet, the only condition is for you to come over here and you're going to see your bonus under casino. Now once you come over here, you can go ahead now and play betting on pre-games. So for you to claim or use a casino bonus, you have to bet on accumulator games times 5. So once you bet on 5 or more accumulator games, you are going to be able to use that casino bonus in Mostbet. And to withdraw it, you just have to go to your withdraw account and click on withdraw. You are going to subscribe to YouTube channel for more important videos like this.